DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making over a thrift store table that has lots of detail. And we're using Americana Decor satin enamels and Americana Decor chalky finish paints. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make over a thrift store table. Americana Decor chalky finish paints and satin enamel paints come in a ton of different colors, and they're perfect for a project like this. So pick your favorites, and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.